The liver is one of the most important organs in our body. It is the largest gland in the body and is responsible for filtering the toxins we ingest and eliminate through our kidneys. It also produces a number of digestive enzymes that metabolize and store nutrient proteins and filters our blood. When this organ appears to be larger than normal, it may mean that it's inflamed, causing a series of symptoms. The main symptoms are pain. Initially, you may not feel pain, but it tends to increase as time passes. The area where the pain appears will be very specific. It will always be on the upper right side of your abdomen. This pain may also be accompanied by swelling or bloating of your abdomen. Fever. People who have some type of inflammation in their liver tend to have a fever. The fever in this case may also indicate an infection in the liver. Yellowed skin and eyes. One of the most noticeable signs is jaundice, which happens when the liver is having a hard time capturing and metabolizing this pigment, which ends up being released into the blood. Nausea. When liver changes occur, our body can't process excess fat, salt, and other substances, causing nausea and general malaise. Urine changes. Although we don't normally pay attention to our urine, we should know that when it's darker, it means that there has been a change in your liver. Feces may also be lighter or even white due to problems with the biliary system. Mouth issues. A strange taste in your mouth and bad breath can also appear due to the accumulation of toxins and substances that the liver should eliminate, but can't. If you are suffering from several of these symptoms accompanied by fever and severe pain, it's recommended that you go see a doctor. In less serious cases, it's possible to treat and prevent your liver from inflaming with some changes of habit, especially eating habits. Avoid consuming alcohol, sugar, salt, white flour, fried foods, and overprocessed foods. Consume more cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, cauliflower, cabbage butter, turnip, and cabbage, which helps the liver perform its functions. Apart from these foods, you can try some natural remedies like dandelion. Dandelion tea cleanses your entire body and stimulates toxin elimination. Put 2 tablespoons of dandelion in a quart of boiling water. After that, let it sit for 15 minutes, then strain. Drink this tea 3 times a day. Lemon water. Drink lemon water every morning as soon as you wake up. Squeeze a fresh lemon into a glass, 200 milliliters of clean, warm water. If your symptoms persist, seek the advice of a health professional you trust. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.